DeepSeek just released the official API for V4 Flash, and it represents a massive jump over the preview release. The latest version delivers dramatically stronger agent benchmark performance while costing significantly less than leading proprietary AI models. That is not a small improvement. It is a model that has gone from an interesting experiment to something solo operators can realistically build client services around. That's not a small jump. That's a model that was struggling with basic logic, suddenly competing with frontier models on the exact workflows solo operators actually need: automated lead qualification, custom knowledge bases, chatbots that handle real client conversations. And at the very end, I'm going to show you the exact middleware setup that makes this run like a paid platform agent without the platform fee. You're going to want to stick around for that because it's the difference between theory and something you can hand to a client tomorrow. I'm Paul James. I build AI systems that replace expensive software for solo operators and freelancers who don't have the budget for the subscription stack most people push. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I'll reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here's the thing, most people won't tell you about AI chatbot platforms and agent builders. They lock you into monthly fees before you've closed your first client, and they control which model your bot runs on. You're paying $50 to $200 a month for convenience you don't actually need if you know how to connect an API. And here's what nobody talks about. The platforms charging you that subscription also benefit when you stay dependent on their walled garden. They get paid whether your client work succeeds or not. That's the model. You assume the risk, they collect the fee. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. An $80 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived wasn't something I could absorb. That's exactly why tools like DeepSeek V4 Flash matter. It gives you the same capability at a price point that doesn't punish you for starting. What DeepSeek just released is the official API version of V4 Flash. They're calling it V4 Flash 0731. This isn't a preview anymore, it's production ready, and the performance jump is massive. The preview version scored 61.8 on agent benchmarks. The official release, 82.7. Same architecture, same model size. The improvement came entirely from better training. That's a 40% jump in capability without adding parameters or compute. And here's where this gets interesting for someone running AI chatbot services or building custom knowledge bases for local businesses. DeepSeek V4 Flash has a 1 million token context window. That means it can hold an entire conversation history, reference every past interaction with a lead, and still respond intelligently without losing the thread. Most chatbot platforms limit your context or charge you extra when you exceed it. This doesn't. The pricing is what makes this practical for solo operators. Lower API costs mean healthier margins as your client base grows, so you can build higher volume AI services without subscription costs eating into every project. DeepSeek is focused on building high-performance open-weight AI models at much lower cost than many proprietary alternatives. For solo operators, that means access to enterprise-level capability without enterprise-level pricing. Think about what this means for someone offering AI chatbot services to local businesses. One client, a real estate agent who wants a lead qualification bot on their website. You build it on DeepSeek V4 Flash. The bot asks budget questions, qualifies timeline, books appointments directly into their calendar. On most chatbot platforms, that capability costs $80 a month minimum just for the platform access, and that's before you've customized anything or connected it to their CRM. With DeepSeek V4 Flash, your model calls cost pennies per conversation. You charge the client $300 setup plus $50 monthly. Your margin just tripled because you're not giving half of it back to a platform. Let's keep building. This model is optimized specifically for agentic workflows. It's not trying to be the best coding assistant or the best creative writer. It's built to handle the kind of logic chains and planning tasks that automated agents need: qualifying leads, routing conversations, making decisions based on conditional rules. That's the use case. And for that use case, it's fast and it's cheap, and it performs at a level that makes it viable for real client work. Now here's the thing, that workflow works. You know the model exists and you know it's affordable, but there's a version of this that runs 3 times faster and almost nobody sets it up this way. Give me 60 seconds. The paid platforms handle API connections automatically because they want you dependent on their interface. When you're building your own stack, you need a lightweight middleware layer that handles the API calls without adding overhead. Most people skip that step and then wonder why their custom agents feel janky compared to platform versions. Here's how you get it for free. And listen, if you haven't already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I'll reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Picture a chiropractor who gets 50 calls a week asking about appointment availability and insurance coverage. Half those calls come in while he's with a patient. He's missing leads because he can't answer. You set up an AI voice receptionist using DeepSeek V4 Flash as the reasoning engine. It answers, it qualifies, it books. The middleware layer you build could be Make, could be Zapier, could be a lightweight Python script if you're comfortable with code, handles the connection between the voice interface and the model. The chiropractor pays you $400 setup and $75 monthly. Your cost? Maybe $3 a month in API calls if the practice is busy. Platforms with this capability bundle it inside plans that cost more per month than your client is paying you total. Your version runs for pennies. Or take a local gym that wants a custom knowledge base for their staff. New hires need to learn membership tiers, cancellation policies, equipment maintenance procedures. You build an internal AI assistant on DeepSeek V4 Flash. Staff ask it questions in plain language. It pulls from the gym's documentation and responds instantly. Training time drops from 2 weeks to 3 days because the new hire isn't waiting for a manager to explain the same policy for the 4th time. You charge $800 for the build and $100 monthly to maintain it. The model API costs you maybe $5 a month. Most knowledge-based platforms start at $150 monthly just for access, before you've customized a single thing. You're delivering the same result for a fraction of the backend cost and keeping the margin. Here's another angle. A real estate broker has 3,000 leads in their CRM that went cold 6 months ago. You run a lead reactivation campaign using DeepSeek V4 Flash to personalize the outreach. The model reads each lead's history, what property type they inquired about, what their budget was, when they stopped responding, and drafts a custom follow-up message that feels human. You send those messages through a simple email automation tool. 20 leads respond, 3 turn into active buyers. The broker pays you $600 for that campaign. Your API cost was under $10. Most email platforms with AI personalization features charge monthly whether you're running a campaign or not. You built this on demand and walked away with the profit. One more. A solo operator builds a lead qualification chatbot for a landscaping company. The bot lives on their website. It asks property size, service type, timeline. It filters out tire kickers and books estimates for serious inquiries. The landscaper used to spend an hour a day on the phone doing that same qualifying work. Now the bot does it while he's mowing. Setup fee, $300. Monthly retainer, $60. The solo operator's backend cost? Less than $5 a month in DeepSeek V4 Flash API calls. That middleware layer we talked about earlier, that's what makes the connection between the website form and the model feel seamless. Without it, the bot feels clunky. With it, the client thinks you built them a custom platform. You didn't. You just connected 2 free or cheap tools in a way that works. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is. The configuration that makes DeepSeek V4 Flash agents feel like paid platform agents is all in how you handle state management and error handling. Most people connect the API directly and assume it'll just work. It won't. You need a lightweight middleware layer. Make.com works, Zapier works, a simple Flask app works if you code, that sits between the user input and the model. That layer does 3 things. 1, it stores conversation context so the model remembers what happened 2 exchanges ago. 2, it handles retrieves if the API call fails. 3, it formats the model's response so it matches what your client expects. That setup takes 30 minutes the first time you build it. After that, it's reusable across every agent you deploy. And that's the difference between something that breaks when a client actually uses it and something that runs like a product they'd pay $200 a month for. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. You're not paying platform fees, you're not locked into one vendor's model. DeepSeek V4 Flash is live right now, and the pricing makes it viable for someone who hasn't closed their first client yet. The agents you build on this can handle real conversations, qualify real leads, and run for less than the cost of a coffee per client per month. That margin is yours to keep. That's what changes when you stop paying the subscription tax and start building on tools like this. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I'll reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.